What up, y'all? We back with me, and I gotta guess, Jada. She's acting a little funny. She has the hiccups. Okay, I'm just playing.
Can you give me some water?
What was that? She's playing.
Give me some water.
Okay.
I'll be right back. I'm going to go give me some water.
So, we're going to doing a dance challenge. Look like our best friend did that.
Look at my... Look, y'all see that? I don't care.
Ready, set, hit. Have you ever seen a proper way to crack this kind of thing?
Oh! Get out. You guys see how we do this.
You guys hear that noise?
It's totally cool.
We did that. We did that on accident. I gotta turn it off. I gotta turn that thing off. Thank you. Okay, I turned it off. Now you cannot hear any noise.
Wasn't that cool and funny, guys?
So, Jada is a mime. This mime cannot talk.
I'll be right to get some...
What? I think she got me getting the hiccup. Hello, guys. We back. Well, I'm back. Here's Jada.
I just got me some water. I almost spilled my drink. This is a hiccups challenge thingy, whatever.
Without drinking water.
This is showing you guys how to get rid of the hiccups. So I'll drink all of my water.
No more water. Girl.
No more water.
It's raining though. It's raining though.
Oh my God! Some of it.
She's act like a liquid. Act like a liquid. Whip your butt.
Yeah. I got the hiccups now. I'm sorry.
We're sorry. We're gonna have to cancel this.
We're gonna have to cancel this video.